Hi you guys, welcome back to another Taco Tuesday episode. For today's video, I plan to organize the kids' bedrooms, mainly my daughter's, because there's a big chaos on her floors right now. It's full of toys. We were super busy this past weekend and we just couldn't get to the toys, so we want to organize that. She's gonna help me. And then for my son's bedroom, his room, I'm not gonna lie, it's not messy, but his closet, I just want to organize his shoes. There's a lot of shoes that don't fit him anymore, so I want to just separate that into a donations pile so I can go ahead and give that away. And then I'm going to finish off by cleaning their bathroom. Their bathroom normally does not get very dirty, however it is a bathroom, so I do need to clean it once a week. So that is what I'm going to be doing. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe, and I would love for you to comment down below. Say hi. I love saying hi to all my subscribers. So I hope you all enjoyed today's Taco Tuesday episode, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys. By the way, you guys, I am filming in my new camera. It's the Canon G7X. I'm in love with it, and it has a flip screen because my old camera didn't have a flip screen, and it was so annoying. I was always having to like make sure I was in the shop, so now it's like on point. All right, enough talking, let's get to it. What's so funny? You're gonna help me, Missy. You're not getting away with it. All right, so as usual, I always like to show you guys what I'm working with. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna get started by opening up the curtains, and although it's late in the afternoon, I still had some sunlight, so I did want to shine that through. And then I'm also going to pick up my hair because it can get really hot when I start picking up toys. So my number one tip when you find that a mess is very overwhelming and you have no idea where to start is just to choose a corner of the room and work in a clockwise motion. I find that this strategy works so well with my daughter because she can get very creative when she plays, and she can take out like 10 different bins and start playing with a whole bunch of random things, so the mess tends to get overwhelming. So I always tell her, choose a corner of the room and we'll start from there. Typically we'll start by the closet area just because that's where the mess tends to accumulate, and I will begin taking out bins and we'll just store everything that's on the floor into the bins. I know that we don't have the best organization out there, but right now this is what works for us. And I love these clear shoe boxes that I always pick up at Target. They are my favorite because they're transparent, so it's very easy for me to see where things are. And when it's time to clean up, it just makes it a little bit easier just because she can see where everything belongs. So the next thing I decided to do was to clear out her nightstand because it was getting quite junky. Now I know where she was hiding all the random things that I would tell her to put away. Now because it is nighttime, I'm just straightening out her bed. I'm not going to make it like full out, but I love this quilt because it's so easy to straighten out. You don't need much effort. Mia's bed always looks put together, even though it only took me just a few seconds to straighten it out. The last thing I'm going to do to tidy up Mia's room is just pick up any random toys and clothes that are just thrown on the floor. Now I'm going to be using the 7th generation wood cleaner, and so far I'm loving this product. I like how it doesn't leave that oily residue behind. The last thing to be done in this room is to vacuum the carpets, and I love using this Glade Clean Linen Carpet Refreshener. It seriously smells so good and everything just smells so nice and fresh. So my son's room is not messy at all. He's only one and the majority of his time is spent downstairs, so this room barely gets touched, but I will have to dust all the furniture, and then I'm just going to straighten up his bed, nothing crazy, and then I'm going to focus on his closet because there was a lot of shoes that did not fit him, and I just had to put that in a bag so I can give away for donations. I'm going to use that same carpet refresher that I use in Mia's room just because I love how fresh the room smells right after. And then I will go ahead and vacuum the carpet. The last thing on my to-do list is the kids' bathroom, and then I'm going to pick up all the clothes that are just hanging around the floor and all the toys from the bathtub, and then I'm going to go in with this Method Anti-Bac. I love the scent of this. It can be a little bit strong, but it smells really nice and florally. If you do not like floral scents, then this product is probably not for you because the scent can get a little bit overpowering. I'm going to let that soak into the tub, and then I'm going to go in with this Clorox bleach gel for the toilet, and I'm going to let that sit while I dust off the shelf right above it. Next, I'm going to go in with probably one of my all-time favorite cleaning products, which are these Lysol disinfecting wipes. I love them because they're so handy, and I'm going to work my way from the cleanest part of the toilet to the dirtiest. Usually I don't show this in my videos because I think cleaning the toilet is so gross, but unfortunately it's something that gets really dirty and has to get cleaned. Next, I'm going to be using a magic eraser to clean the tub, and this is probably the best product ever invented to clean these tubs because it literally removes every single scratch from it. Now I'm going to go in with really warm water and just rinse all that product out. I'm going to go in with those same Lysol disinfecting wipes, and I'm going to clean the countertops and the inside of the sinks as well. I'm going to use the spray away glass cleaner to clean the mirror, and then I'm also going to use that same product on my chrome faucets. Something else I really like to do is to spray some Lysol on the curtain of the bathroom to disinfect it. And the last thing for the bathroom are the floors, so I'm going to remove the rugs as well as the little stool that I have there, and then I'm going to mop the floors. Now, my favorite trick for drying the floors is I always have this really big lightweight fan to dry my floors. It just makes it 10 times faster. I really never have to wait on my floors to get dry because they get dry literally in minutes. So in just a couple minutes, I'm going to be able to put back the rugs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye guys!